Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tree Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how does Connect work in Upwork. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now as you can see right now for me, I already have like over 50 connects right now on my account, and let's show you how they work. Let's go find a job right now, a quick job. For example, this one over here, respond to a TikTok video. Now the way Connect's work is basically like a bidding system. You will be able to bid on the specific job that you're trying to apply to, and depending on the amount of requirement for that specific job, as you can see here, there is less than five proposal right now. So let's check how much Connect this would cost. As you can see, to send a proposal for this, we would need to send them 8 connects, and that is like the minimum requirement. So let's try and apply to this. Click on apply now, and we will be redirected to the page where we can submit a proposal. And as I scroll down, as you can see, let's go to the bottom. As you can see, there is someone right now who has bidded 11 connects. So basically, the connects allows you to apply for a job and boost it. And the higher your bid is, and the higher your place over here on the ranking, it will mean that you will be the priority. And once the client checks this post, they will be able to see the application of whoever is first, second, third, and fourth. But you will still be able to be viewed by the client, of course, but they will be the one who will be prioritized. And the higher the connects, of course, the higher the rank. And you should manage your connects because connects will not recover for at least a month. And the connects basically work as a limiting system where it limits you from spam applying to a lot of jobs. So once your connects are no longer existing or once they are too low, you won't be able to apply to any jobs anymore. So be careful for when you're applying on a job and bidding so that you don't lose all your connects in one go. And that's basically how it works. It works as a bidding system for your different proposal. And that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe